Hi everybody, it's Mel here. We've just had a delivery and it's a little bit exciting. So, Pro Cut, we know that we have a 3mm and a 5mm plate with the magnetic shim. And what we've done is we've made the plates A5. So you can still put them through your A4 machine, but it's quicker. So, same rules apply, okay? Never, ever, ever put the 5mm plate on the bottom, please. Always put it on the top because that's what stops it warping. So 3mm plate on the bottom. We do a 2-pack of A4 magnetic shims. You can cut one of those in half to create your A5 magnetic shim. Tattered lace snowflake die on the top. Now I've got 300 GSM cardstock here, so I'm going to really push it to its extremes. That on top. I always tend to use a piece of cut tidy and then that on top of there. So can't feed it in that way. You have to feed it in so that the widest part here, the longest edge here, goes into the machine. Otherwise the sensor won't pick it up that's inside. But this is a really quick, simple way. If you struggle with your manual dexterity and you can't use your little machines anymore, this is a great way now to be able to use this. And you can see there, it's cut to perfection because you can see all the little pencil, it looks like pencil lines there. That's all the metal just peeping through, but in a fraction of the time. So as a crafter, we want to get to the fun bit fast. So let's do the boring bit first, okay? So A5, 3mm, 5mm, you'll need a magnetic sheet cut in half, job done. How fabulous is that? Go and get yours before they sell out. See you in a bit, bye. If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video or click here to see more videos like this one.